Hey, 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 good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because we're home for the holidays and we're going to be doing kettle corn and we're going to be doing it in our Instapots. So come along with me, grab a hold of that vine, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Wow, I haven't been able to say this verse for a long time. Henry the Eighth I am, Henry the Eighth I am. Second verse, same as the first. Well, what did we learn the first time around? The rainbow popcorn? It didn't work for kettle corn. Now, I want to sit there and give you all a little tip. Usually when I make kettle corn and stuff, I make it in the old whirly popper type poppers. Now, I believe my daughter gave my husband this, oh God, I'll say like 20 years or so ago for Christmas. And we've always used our little whirly popper on the stovetop to make our popcorn. I've never sat there and done it in an Instapot. I've heard about it and it intrigued me. So, you know what? First time, it didn't work out. Well, you know what? I'm going to do it the second time. So with that all being said, let's start the second time over. Now, let's turn our Instapots on, and you're gonna want this light over here in the more. Now, how you do that is just sit there and push the adjust button. Just like I am. I have it on the more setting. Now, go ahead, add our oil. We're gonna heat our oil all up. I have my 3 kernels of popcorn down here that I'm waiting. So as soon as this says hot, we're gonna add them 3 kernels of corn. I have my glass cover. We're gonna put that back on the top and cross your fingers, folks, and let's hope that we can make kettle corn with my white popcorn. The oil is getting up there in temperature. It's almost time to add them 3 kernels of popcorn. And looky there, the Instapot is telling us it is time to add them 3 kernels of corn. So let's go ahead and add them 3 kernels of corn. Now, when you add your kernels of corn, have your glass cover ready to put on right away. Now, let's see if these 3 kernels of corn pop, and if they pop right away, then it's time for us to add that sugar. 2 of them popped, and I'm just waiting for the one other one to pop, and it looks like this is gonna be a go. And it looks like all systems are a go because all 3 kernels popped. So I'm gonna remove our cover. So let's go ahead, add the 1/4 cup of white popcorn along with 1½ tablespoons sugar. Go ahead, let's put our cover back on and give it a shake every 30 seconds or so. And it's starting to pop. Like I say, about every 30 seconds or so, give it a good shake. So folks, I guess making popcorn in the Instant Pots is possible. You just have to find the right type of popcorn. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make kettle corn in our what? In our Instant Pots. So if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? And happy holidays.